How to make Aries man obsessed with Aquarius woman. When fiery Aries meets airy Aquarius, sparks fly, fast, intense, and unpredictable. Aries men crave excitement, while Aquarius women radiate mystery and independence. To make an Aries man obsessed, the Aquarius woman must strike a perfect balance between allure and distance, charm and challenge. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a concise 10-step guide to captivate his full attention and keep it. 1. Be unapologetically unique, show off your quirks and ideas. Aries is drawn to boldness and originality. Let him see a woman who refuses to blend in. 2. Challenge him playfully. Aries men love a good challenge. Tease him, debate him, surprise him. He thrives on energy and unpredictability. 3. Stay emotionally detached, don't be overly sentimental. Aquarius calmness intrigues Aries. Show affection, but don't become overly emotional or dependent. 4. Stimulate his mind, talk about science, society, or future trends. Aquarius intellect fascinates Aries, who seeks someone more than just physically attractive. 5. Keep your freedom, never give up your independence. Let him chase you. Aries admires a woman who has her own life and ambitions. 6. Be confident without boasting, walk with quiet confidence. Speak with clarity. Aries finds subtle strength irresistible. 7. Create a sense of mystery, don't be an open book. Keep parts of your world private. Let him wonder where you go, what you think, who you are. 8. Share big dreams together, talk about changing the world or launching ideas. Aries gets hooked when he feels part of something powerful and exciting. 9. Show affection in doses, give small signs of interest, a touch, a look, a thoughtful word, then pull back. Aries gets hooked when he can't fully read you. 10. Stay true to yourself, never become who he wants, stay who you are. Aries' obsession grows when he can't control or predict you. To make an Aries man obsessed, don't try too hard. The key is to be, not become. Let your independence, intellect, and mystery do the work. Aries can't resist the storm he can't tame. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.